Hello guys, magandang tanghali, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Kain po tayo. Ito po ang lunch ko, crab, tapos squid, tapos may with gulay, gata. Sa wakas, for 5 years na lang ako ulit makatikim nito. Yummy, yummy guys. Alam ko, busog na busog ako nito guys. Wow. Thanks God, nakabili ako ng Filipino food. I'm happy for my lunch for today. Kayo guys, anong lunch nyo? Please subscribe, watching, share, and comment. My support please, my small YouTube channel. Your friend, sister, Megan. I love you all. Happy day, mga